Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basics that matter. The TV and your phone or laptop must share the same Wi-Fi network, and SmartCast should be on. Once done, update the TV firmware and the Google app or Chrome so casting works reliably. Make sure the TV is set to the SmartCast input and note the device name displayed. This lets your casting device discover the TV immediately. It avoids delays and mismatch errors when you move to the next step. Now you mirror content. On mobile, open the Google app or Chrome and tap the cast icon inside Video or the browser menu. On a PC, open Chrome and choose Cast from the three-dot menu, then pick Cast Tab or Cast Desktop depending on what you need. Once you select your Vizio Smart Cast device name, grant any permission prompts. You control the stream from the source, pause, seek, change volume, so the TV simply displays. This keeps playback smooth and avoids taxing the TV's processor. To finish, stop casting from your source device by tapping the cast icon and selecting Stop Casting or Disconnect in Chrome. If video lags or stutters, make sure devices are near the router or move them to the 5 GHz band and reduce other heavy downloads. If the Vizio device doesn't appear, reboot the TV and your phone or PC, confirm both are on the same network, and disable guest or client isolation. This single cast-based method.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.